Sorry I had to rough you up. You're a three-time loser, Tony.
I ain't been home in a week. I'm gone off the gas and geek. Bitches be needy, pimpin' ain't easy. She wanna fuck on a beast. Brought that bitch back to the east. Bitch, why you playin' with me? Bitch, you ain't stayin' with me. I ain't been home in a week. I'm gone off the gas and geek. Bitches be needy, pimpin' ain't easy. She wanna fuck on a beast. Brought that bitch back to the east. Bitch, why you playin' with me? Bitch, you ain't stayin' with me.
Hey, I don't fuck with her cause I'm playing games. Pick up that bitch and drop off with the pains. I'm feeling good, I'm fresh like powder. Pull up my dick and I bet she devour. Wait on my comeback sooner than soon. Fuck my ex bitch, she a dirty baboon. If I'm like the hoe, then I'll pass her the Merrick. These niggas be copying, niggas be Paris. I'm making jokes and I bet she say ha. My bitch is Spanish, Feliz Navidad. Niggas be tripping, I'm water whipping. My fuck your bitch because that's how I'm feeling. I don't smoke gas but I'm high off the ceiling. Breathing the mic and that bitch get a million. I'm like a wagon, you getting carried. Your career dead, you getting buried.
I ain't been home in a week. I'm gone off the gas and geek. Bitches be needy, pimpin' ain't easy. She wanna fuck on a beast. Brought that bitch back to the east. Bitch, why you playin' with me? Bitch, you ain't stayin' with me. I ain't been home in a week. I'm gone off the gas and geek. Bitches be needy, pimpin' ain't easy. She wanna fuck on a beast. Brought that bitch back to the east. Bitch, why you playin' with me? Bitch, you ain't stayin' with me. Pull up in the rental, check. Do it for the camera, check. Take a chance like gambler, check. Roll the dice, put them on a banner, check. Hey, I been a real one since a minor. Gucci on my fire, but my bitch bad as fuck if she don't wear designer. And she know what's up when I'm on this recliner. My chain nice as fuck, but it bite like a tiger. I pop out the cut with a scope like a sniper. She give me the suck and I dip in the Chrysler. She pulling up cause I know she a rider. I beat from the front, now she wear like a geyser. Went deep in her gut, now she call me recording. Soon as I bust, I dip out in the foreign. Call her at the club and I fuck by the morning. Left her in the dust cause that bitch super boring.
I got my bitch and she back to the bone. Writing these lyrics right off of the dome. Texting your bitch and she said that she need me. Told me to come over cause she home alone. Cause I don't know what you're thinking of. I hope you think of me. Cause I don't know what you think of love. And I hope that you see. I got my bitch and she back to the bone. Writing these lyrics right off of the dome. Texting your bitch and she said that she need me. Told me to come over cause she home alone.
And I snuck in the crib, it's an all-nighter. She gon' fuck with my bro cause we all like her. Stay with her back just like Roddy Piper. Yeah, that might be your bitch, but I probably piped her. Stay in the streets like I'm Peter Parker. Never fell off my feet, I'm just going harder. And I'm high off my feet, I'm like VC Carter. When I dropped the EP, it's the easy charter. Gave her the number, she still ain't call. Man, you niggas who with a low overall. And that bitch said I'm short, but my money's tall. Shit, I need a bad bitch just like Savage Dog. Don't do the beat cause the cabbage call. And she fuck with my D cause it's radical. Stay with my dog just like Jim and Goddard. And I stay with a stick just like Harry Potter.
I got my bitch and she back to the bone. Writing these lyrics right off of the dome. Texting your bitch and she said that she need me. Told me to come over cause she home alone. Cause I don't know what you're thinking of. I hope you think of me. Cause I don't know what you think of love. And I hope that you see.
Oh my gosh, there's trending.
Cause I don't know what you're thinking of. I hope you think of me. Cause I don't know what you think of love. And I hope that you see.
Oh my gosh, there's trending.
I just need someone in my life to give it structure, to handle all the selfish ways I'd spend my time without her. You're everything I want, but I can't deal with all your lovers. You're saying I'm the one, but it's your actions that speak louder. Giving me love when you are down and need another. I've gotta get away and let you go. I've gotta get over. But I love you so. I love you so. I love you so. I love you so. I'm gonna pack my things and leave you behind. This feeling's old and I know that I've made up my mind. I hope you feel what I felt when you shattered my soul. Cause you were cruel and I'm a fool, so please let me go. But I love you so. Please let me go. I love you so. Please let me go. I love you so. Let me go. I love you so.
Pussy's crazy, bro.
Give me something to believe in. Don't know who you treating wrong. She gon' eat on my semen. Put him in the ground like semen. Pick up the bitch like Tons. Yeah, who you out here doing wrong? I thought you was my bronze. You just another one of them thoughts. I put that bitch and I sit on the devil. Cause my niggas gang, you know we gon' run it up. All on my back, you know she gon' suck it up. All on my back, so you know we gon' fuck it up. Ride with the gang, you know we gon' shoot. Pop up with chest, bitch, I'm leaving it loose. I'm chasing my bag, ain't chasing no bitch. I'm chasing my bag, ain't chasing no girl. And I thought that I wasn't enough, yo. Fucking your bitch, that's tough, yo. If she left me, I'm out of luck. And I act like I don't give a fuck, but I contemplate and I'm here broke cause I compensate. She said that wasn't enough, but like hours I find a way. Killer say niggas, I'm taking out break, check a buck, yo. Give me something to believe in. Don't know who you treating wrong. She gon' eat on my semen. Got him in the ground like semen. bitch like Tons. Yo, you out here doing wrong. I thought you was my bronze. You just another one of them